Made up of 50 states, the USA stretches across a landmass that's only slightly smaller than Europe. Within this vast country lies an incredible mix of landscapes, cities, cultures, and people. In this video, we'll take you through the top 15 best places to visit in the USA. So whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming for now, get ready to explore some of the most iconic and unforgettable destinations in America. Starting off with number 15, we have the tropical gem that is Honolulu. Picture this: turquoise waters, golden sands, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. Whether you're hiking up Diamond Head or relaxing on the iconic Waikiki Beach, Honolulu offers the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. From surfing to snorkeling to epic luau's, this slice of paradise will have you hooked. Next up at number 14, Sedona brings us jaw-dropping red rock formations and a sense of peace you won't find anywhere else. The spiritual energy here is undeniable. Many come to experience the famous vortexes and soak in the tranquility. Whether you're seeking a deep connection with nature or just a serene sunset, Sedona's beauty will leave you rejuvenated. At number 13, we've got Boston, where history and modernity collide. From walking the Freedom Trail to catching a Red Sox game at Fenway Park, every corner of this city tells a story. But don't think it's stuck in the past. Boston's tech scene, lively culture, and delicious food will keep you coming back for more. Coming in at number 12 is Austin, the heart of Texas that's anything but ordinary. Known for its live music scene, food trucks, and eclectic vibe, Austin is where the cool crowd hangs out. From enjoying a band at the Continental Club to feasting on mouth-watering BBQ, Austin's laid-back yet energetic feel makes it one of the most unique cities to visit. At number 11 we have Orlando, home to the world's most famous theme parks. Whether you're heading to Walt Disney World or Universal Studios, Orlando is a place where childhood dreams come to life. But it's not just for kids. There's shopping, dining, and plenty of ways to enjoy the Florida sunshine. Number 10 takes us to the soulful New Orleans. From jazz pouring out of every bar to the streets lined with history, this city is a sensory overload in the best way. Whether you're indulging in gumbo, wandering through the French Quarter, or catching a live band, New Orleans is a city that makes you feel alive with its unique blend of French, African, and Creole influences. At number 9 we have Washington, D.C., the political and cultural heart of America. Stroll through the National Mall, take in the monuments, or enjoy the local cafe scene. This city is where history is made. Yellowstone comes in at number 8, and let me tell you, this national park is a place like no other. From erupting geysers to wild bison roaming the plains, Yellowstone is nature in its rawest form. If you're an adventurer at heart, this park will make your jaw drop. Old Faithful, hot springs, and breathtaking wildlife await. Number 7 on our list is San Francisco, a city where technology meets nature. SF offers iconic views like the Golden Gate Bridge wrapped in fog. From the artistic vibe of Haight-Ashbury to the seafood at Fisherman's Wharf, every corner of San Francisco is an Instagram-worthy moment. At number 6, Miami is the place where the sun always shines and the fun never stops. South Beach's sparkling sands, Little Havana's lively vibes, and the city's never-ending nightlife make Miami the ultimate hotspot for anyone looking for excitement. The food culture and energy here are like nothing you've experienced before. Number 5 on the list is Chicago, the city of deep dish pizza jazz clubs, and a skyline that will leave you breathless. Whether you're exploring Millennium Park, taking in the view from Willis Tower, or enjoying a baseball game at Wrigley Field, Chicago's charm will steal your heart in the best possible way. Next up, number 4, Las Vegas. In Vegas, the motto is simple: whatever happens here, stays here. The neon lights, the jaw-dropping resorts, and the non-stop parties create an atmosphere you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're trying your luck at the slots or catching a Cirque du Soleil show, Vegas will keep you on the edge of your seat. At number 3, Los Angeles is a city that's always on the move. From the glitz of Hollywood to the relaxed beaches of Malibu, Louisiana is where stars are born and dreams are made. Whether you're chasing sunsets or eating tacos by the ocean, Louisiana is full of magic and energy that'll make you feel like anything is possible. Number 2 takes us to the Grand Canyon, a natural wonder that's been millions of years in the making. The views here are beyond words. The colors change with the light, and the sheer size of the canyon will leave you speechless. Whether you're hiking, rafting, or just standing in awe, the Grand Canyon is truly nature's masterpiece. And at number 1, we have New York. With a population exceeding 8 million, it's the most populous city in the United States, and its streets pulse with an energy that's palpable. Walking through NYC feels like traversing the globe. The city boasts the world's highest linguistic diversity, with over 800 languages spoken. This rich tapestry of cultures is reflected in its neighborhoods, cuisines, and festivals, making every corner a new discovery. New York is the most filmed location globally, providing a lush backdrop to countless movies and TV shows. And there you have it, 15 of the most incredible places in the USA. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these spots would you put at number 1 on your travel bucket list? Drop your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this list helpful, and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss out on more epic travel content.